So this is Trustpilot, one of the best places on the internet that you can find reviews and complaints about many great giants like YouTube, which has 1.6 stars. Now, regardless of the stars, YouTube is a really big Google giant. Google has done a good job with owning YouTube. Now, but the only issue is that how they maintain it. So you have to get YouTube Premium to avoid all those annoying ads. And YouTube nowadays is getting really concerned. There's lots of really big issues going around. Now, although you have this and you have many bad reviews, my biggest issue is the ads on YouTube. I can't even listen to music. So I'm here on YouTube and I usually try to listen to some of my favorite music, and I can't even listen to a track or a mix without advertisements popping in. And if I'm occupied, therefore that 30-second long ad sometimes lasts minutes, probably 2 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes. Sometimes it even shows like a trailer of a movie, and like it's really annoying. If I'm occupied, I cannot skip it because I'm occupied. My hands are occupied. Sometimes I don't even want to get close to it. Don't even want to reach for the remote. But this is a computer and this is Windows. But this works only for Google Chrome. This add-on I'm going to show you is the best. Now, Firefox, I don't know about Safari. I'm not an iPhone user, but Internet Explorer and other browsers, they have extensions that you can add. Let me show you exactly what's really bothersome. For example, if I want to click on this,
I love Monday.com.
What's Monday.com?
You don't know.
such a perfect card. Now, let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to click on your extension icon right there and click on Manage Extensions. Then you're going to go to the Chrome Web Store. Now, as I said earlier, you can also get extensions for ad blockers for YouTube on different browsers, but I'm only working on Chrome. For Android and iPhone devices, there are applications that does that, but since I use my computer the most, video editing, probably YouTube videos, a little programming, most of the times I rather just use my computer to just listen to music with my headphones. Now, what you're going to be searching for is YouTube ad blocker. And the best one I've had experience with, just one click, is this one, ad block for YouTube. Now, with it added to Chrome, it's going to be really simple. And it's now going to be one of my favorites, so I'm just going to pin it. So here, so far it's already activated. So if I refresh this, I'm not going to look at the same video though. Here, look for something a little bit. Let's save my music. No more ads, as simple as that. Now, if you like this video, like and subscribe. If you have any concerns or queries or any ideas, you can leave a comment. You can contact me.